Hello everyone, this is Fast Charlie, and what I'm going to be doing today is opening 2 locks as part of a challenge from West Coast Picks in celebration of their 400th video. I will go ahead and open up this Master Lock number 5. And the easiest way to get into this is probably just raking. And it's that easy. That one. Next up is a Slaymaker Super. It's an old wafer. So I will be picking that. See how. Let's see, the best way to get into this is. I have done this before on this particular lock. So I'll try to grab a top of keyway. It's really big in there. Let's see. Okay. Let's see how that works. See if there's enough room in there. I have a Peterson gem. Thought I had it there. And there we go. Again, we've got old Slaymaker Super and Master Lock number 5 that I'm sure a lot of you, including me, have picked open quite a few times. My guess for the challenge is 444. And if you've never checked them out, go ahead and I highly recommend checking out West Coast Picks. They have a lot of information about picking and also a lot of information about making challenge locks. So that's all for now. Everyone have a good day, and if it's not yours and you don't have permission, leave it alone.